Hi, myself Kader, working for Novotel Spa and Resort. I'm going to make a cocktail with Cashew Feni. Mostly people don't like Cashew Feni because they say like it tastes very hard and all. But I'm going to make one cocktail you feel like you're not having Feni, you are having some juice or cranberry juice like that. So for that I need lime chunks. I put 2-3 lime chunks on the glass and Colin glass. Little bit mint to give minty flavor. So I'll muddle this all. After that I pour the Feni, 40 ml of Feni, and then full of crushed ice. Little bit 7-Up, lemonade, you can add soda also, and top up with cranberry. For garnish you can peel the orange, and you can use lemon. So just for flavor, chili infused. Yeah. So the drink is ready. Here is Kandolim Street.